What has happened to that? How are you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now today, you join me in Hartley Whitney because we're heading to the Phoexnix Inn pub. There's supposed to be loads of classic cars there. It's currently 7:52 AM in the morning. It's very early on New Year's Day, so hopefully you all had a good day. And it's my first video of 2022, so yeah, let's just get straight into it. Well, the event starts at 8 AM. I think we might be a little bit early. Oh, there's some cars in there. Well, it's nice to see that the army has arrived. That looks sick. I was wondering when we'd see a Mark IV. We have a white Zenki S14. What? Got an old Citroen 2CV. We've even got people bringing their old tractors down. What? Look how he's sitting. Oh my god. There is another one. One in. I mean, I wasn't expecting to film a tractor today. That's for sure. I have no idea what that is, but that looks wicked. Graphics on the side as well. There's even more old tractors. This one looks like it's been done up recently. He's got a Christmas tree on the back. Wow, there's loads. Oh, there's people sat in the back. I was about to say the boot. A new BMW M4. I don't know how I feel about that front grille still. It does look strange. Honestly, I've seen a motorcycle like this in person. I've seen it in Harry Potter, but not in person. What? Where are these all coming from? Where are they coming from? This one, he'd be sorted if it was raining. This one's got two wheels at the front. That looks cool. This one got a Nardo Grey E46. That colour is so banging. Well, here they come. This one looks like an actual box, like a snowplow. Looks like it's been squished. Got a Nardo Grey E46 back. But he stood up to make it a little bit easier. I'd hate to be driving out on the road. Hell has happened to this Focus. That is definitely different. What has happened to that? VW campers, they're wicked. I would like one at some point. 6. The wide arch focus has now returned once again. That just looks crazy. I have no idea what this is. It's so cool just seeing all these old cars though. Look how small the MG Midget is compared to the van behind. Oh, he's not very happy. I think we're going to take a walk further down the road just to go up the lights so we can actually film accelerations on the cars, because here there's cars parked side to side, so not much is going to happen. Oh, the Ultima is here. Take that out. That's massive. That's one way to go to a car meet. You bring your horse. I didn't know where to film. That was loud. It's back. The Zenki S14 is back. The Golf is trying it, and so is the Suzuki Swift. Here comes the R32. started to rain, so we're under the petrol station for shelter. So we're now back in the car on the way home, but it's currently 1:27 p.m. and we've been here since 8 a.m. in the morning. We woke up at 7, so yeah, it's been a long morning so far, but hopefully you have all enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, be sure to drop a like and also subscribe, and also let me know what you thought about the classic cars, because I really want to start doing it a lot more. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I will catch you all in my next video.